fighting against high prices. What if you could fight inflation and increase your equity, starting today? If you feel that your salary is no longer yielding, know that you are not alone. Today, I am going to show you 3 powerful but simple steps provided directly by the top financial experts in the US, so that you can protect your money, fight inflation, and build true freedom. No blunders, no jargon. If you want to make smarter decisions and achieve financial independence, sign up for new practical content every week. Beat inflation, increase savings, freedom. Welcome to the channel where we simplify finances and help you make money. This emergency fund is your buffer when the economy is going through a difficult time. Emergency fund your financial shield and sectors that benefit from high prices, such as commodities or Experts like Bola, Sokunbi, and Tori Dunlap say that the first rule is not to panic, and this starts with a financial reserve. Emergency fund direct. Open a high-yield savings account. Automate R300 month. Plan 3 to 6 months of expenses. Quote, Tori Dunlap. Stay the course. Don't sell in panic. Conquer the inflation. Introducing yesterday's trending topic. Investment strategies to combat. Shift a thin slice 10-20% for index funds. Parallel activities diversify with side hustles, e.g. extra income fights inflation directly. Tori Dunlap. Stay the course. Bola, Sokunbi. Prioritize building your emergency fund. Which step has helped you the most so far? Comment. Emergency, investment, or parallel work. Let's compare experiences. Share this video with someone who needs a financial reset. Emergency fund, high-yield savings, inflation strategy. Small, investment in indices, commodities, parallel activities. Increase your income now. Sign up and ring the bell if you're ready to get more practical finance tips every week. Check out the affiliate links below. You'll find tools that really work. Don't miss it. Your smarter financial future starts now. Links below.